Hi friends, I'm Karthick Raja. Welcome to Learn with Karthick Raja. Today we are going to mark the seas of the world. So, before moving to the seas, we will start with the oceans. So, first, what are the five major oceans? So, they are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. First, we will mark the Pacific Ocean. This is the Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is located on the both sides of the world. So it is the largest ocean of the world. But many sailors tell this ocean as the Pacific Ocean is very peaceful. So Pacific means itself, it refers to peace, friendliness, etc. But in the Pacific Ocean only, there is the Ring of Fire, which is a line of volcanoes more than 100. Now we will move on to the second largest ocean in the world. So in this ocean only we have the submerged mountains, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. It is the Atlantic Ocean. So this Atlantic Ocean got its name from the Atlas Range here in Africa. I'll write it here. Then the next, it is the Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. It is the only ocean named after a country, India. See, I'll mark it here. It is shaped as letter M. It's the Indian Ocean. Now we will move on to the Southern Ocean. It is at the south of the world, so it is named as Southern Ocean. So it is the fourth ocean of the world. Now we'll move on to the next ocean, which is the Arctic Ocean, located in these areas. Write it here. So why it is named as Arctic Ocean is because it is located in the Arctic regions of the world. Now we will see and mark the seas of the world. Write it first. First we will start from the eastern side. First, so this part of Russia is here. I will write it here. So it is the Chukchi Sea. It is the Chukchi Sea. Then here we have the Bering Sea. Bering Sea. Then here, this part at Russia's area, we have the Sea of Okhotsk. Okhotsk. Then this area. So here we have the country of Japan. So we call this water body as Sea of Japan. Next, we divide water bodies of China here into three. Here, here, and here. First, this one. It is the Yellow Sea. So, why it is called Yellow Sea? Because of the golden yellow of this sea. Why it is caused? Because of the sandstorms. Here we have the Gobi Desert, right? So by the sandstorms there, the silt is carried away and it is called the Yellow Sea. Next here, this sea is located to the east of China, right? So we call it as East China Sea. East China Sea. China Sea. The next one here, it is the South China Sea. So it is located in the south of China, right? So we call it as South China Sea. Next, we have Philippines here, right? Philippine country here, right? So we call this sea as Philippine Sea. And in Australia, we have two main seas here. Just the Coral Sea. Then here we have Tasman. So it is the Tasman Sea. The country Tasmania and this sea was named by an explorer, Tasman. Next, we come here to India's islands. This one, this Andaman Islands, right? So we have the Andaman Sea here. Andaman Sea. Next, we have the Lakshadweep Islands here, right? So we call this as Lakshadweep Sea. Or we can also call this sea as Lakshadweep Sea. Then here we have the Arabian Sea. Next, why the Arabian Sea is known as Arabian Sea? Because it is located near the Arabian Peninsula. Next, we have the Red Sea here. Mark it right here. It's Red Sea. It's the Red Sea. Next, here it is an enormous water body. It's the Mediterranean Sea. Why it got the name Mediterranean Sea? I will tell you. It is because the Middle East people and the African people thought that it is in the middle of the world. So they kept the name as Mediterranean Sea. So here we have three main water bodies. This one, and this one. First we name this as Terranean Sea. Terranean Sea. Next, this water body near the Italian Peninsula. This one is the Adriatic Sea. Adriatic Sea. Then this water body here. This one. This is the Aegean Sea. Then this water body. It is the Black Sea. Then here it is the Azov Sea. Then we will move to the above of Europe. Here we have the Norwegian Sea. Then here, see here, we have the Baltic Sea because it is located near the Baltic peninsula, right? So we call it as Baltic Sea. Baltic Sea. Next, this is the North Sea. North Sea. Next, we'll come to North America. Here we have the Sargasso Sea. This sea is the sea which has more shores. Next, this one. So here we have the Caribbean island. So we call this sea as Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea. Then here we have the Beaufort Sea. Beaufort Sea. And another thing to tell about South China Sea is it is the deepest sea of the world. So friends, we'll recall all the seas from first Chukchi Sea, Beaufort Sea, Sargasso Sea, Caribbean Sea, the Norwegian Sea, Baltic Sea, North Sea, Tyrrhenian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Aegean Sea, Adriatic Sea, Azov Sea, Black Sea, Red Sea, Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Sea or Lakadweep Sea, Andaman Sea, the Sea of Okhotsk, Bering Sea, Sea of Japan, Yellow Sea, East China Sea, South China Sea, Philippine Sea, Coral Sea, Tasman Sea. And we'll recall the oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. So that's all friends, we have completed the seas and oceans. Thank you. In the next video, we will see about the Gulf, Straits and lakes.